Hello, my name is Daniel and you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T30 Highline Kombi. This transporter comes in a short wheelbase with a 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. It also comes in a bold Indian grey colour with a metallic finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this transporter comes with LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. You also get power folding and heated external mirrors for cold weather conditions. You also have front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety and confidence when you're maneuvering the vehicle. The wheels that this vehicle sits on are 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels. The wheels also come with the alloy wheel security locking bolts and a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around to the back for the rear exterior features, this transporter has rear parking sensors for that extra bit of confidence when you're maneuvering the vehicle, as well as rear wing doors. Opening the rear wing doors, you can see that there is a very spacious loading area for you to put your equipment and belongings. You can see that the entire loading area is fully ply lined. This just adds a bit of extra durability to the inside of the van. Another access point to the loading area is the single sliding door on the passenger side. This just makes it more easy and convenient when you want to access all your belongings in the front of the van instead of going all the way to the back of the rear side of the van. Moving to the front, you can see there's a 3-seater passenger bench. The driver's seat has armrests on either side for extra comfort. You also can see that the seats are covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery in titanium black. You also have a 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to listen to your personalized music. You can also connect via Bluetooth and use the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system to use the navigation. In front of the driver is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favorite songs, control the volume, use inbuilt cruise control and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T30 Highline Kombi. Thank you for watching and goodbye.